Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm so excited to share my story with you. I have an amazing lifestyle, and I want to show you how I got here. I hope you'll love this story. My life wasn't always this great, but I had big goals I was determined to achieve, and NewAge helped me achieve them. Please listen carefully. You may find ways to make your life better too. It all started thousands of years ago with a miracle fruit called noni. The ancient Tahitians carried noni in their canoes when traveling from island to island because they knew it had amazing properties and health benefits. All the elements of the noni tree, the fruit, the leaf, and the seed, have specific benefits that have been used in unique Tahitian noni product formulas. The Tahitian health and beauty culture was introduced to the world through the brands Tahitian Noni and Taimana. Taimana means gift from above. The most beloved products are Tahitian Noni Juice, Max, and Taimana Noni Plus Collagen. Tahitian Noni Juice supports the health of the entire family and is the #1 selling dietary supplement in history. A bottle of Tahitian Noni Juice is sold every 2 seconds. The amount consumed to date would fill 1,930 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Max is packed with other superfruits in addition to noni and supports awesome performance. Taimana Noni Plus Collagen works from the inside and helps make your skin youthful and healthy. This is my favorite. I love it. The Taimana skincare line, built around the noni elements, is Tahitian paradise for the skin. The goal of NewAge is to help anyone achieve the 3 things they want the most: true health, real beauty, and true financial freedom. NewAge is on track to become the world's #1 leading healthy beverage and lifestyle company. NewAge is a public company listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange and offers stock ownership opportunities to partners worldwide. Why should you choose NewAge? Since 1996, the company has generated more than $8 billion in revenue and paid almost $4 billion in commissions. Thanks to NewAge, more than 300 people have become millionaires. Can you believe it? Amazing, huh? NewAge is present in more than 60 countries worldwide and still expanding into new territories. Every successful business has unique strengths. What are NewAge's strengths? 1. NewAge has an extremely high repeat customer rate. 2. NewAge is always innovating and launching new products. These new products are perfectly aligned with market trends and consumer needs, exactly what you and I want. 3. NewAge has not missed a single commission payout, ever. 4. Our business is supported by amazing sales tools and extremely attractive incentives. 5. NewAge takes care of all the logistics, including warehousing and delivery. All you need to focus on is sharing your story. 6. The earnings opportunity is fantastic, enough for anyone to achieve true financial freedom. We believe true financial freedom means having enough passive income to cover all of your lifestyle needs. This is true security and true freedom. The earning opportunity is very attractive. Even beginners can make $500 to start and upwards of thousands of dollars per month as they grow. 7. NewAge has the most generous travel incentive program in the industry. Trips to Tahiti, Hawaii, Europe, and Asia, including luxury cruises. Tahiti is like paradise. You must see it. 8. Personal development opportunities are the best. Wouldn't you love to improve your business and communication skills? This helps every aspect of our lives. Now, let's take a step back and look at what lifestyle choices are available to us. Employees sell their time for money and do not create any real wealth or freedom. They have no time and seem to never have enough money. Students have time but no money. They are dependent on others and on part-time jobs. Retirees have a lot of free time, but they must make ends meet, usually on a tight budget, which means they have limited freedom. Small business owners can make more money than employees, but they typically become a slave to their business, usually working on weekends, nights, and holidays, meaning they have no time to enjoy what they earn. What if you could own a business that made you money in your sleep? What if you could get paid to talk to people? And what if your pay was residual passive income every month? When your mouth is open, your business is open. How does NewAge help you achieve this unique lifestyle? You will be sponsored by an exceptional mentor who will guide you every step of the way. Everyone needs a mentor, right? You will have huge personal development opportunities. You will have a constant supply of new product offerings based on the latest market trends. Okay, now tell me, which part do you find most interesting? Choose your favorite and click to learn more. I love the products. Tell me more. I would love to make some extra side money. Tell me more. I want true financial freedom. Tell me more. I want free travel. I want to see the world. Tell me more. Do you want to hear another great story? Get in touch with the person who shared this video with you so you can hear their story.